I see a lot of people in business wasting their time on social media. Posting and posting and posting. They're getting the views and the likes, but they aren't getting the business. It's because they're missing one thing. They don't know how to handle their leads, how to convert those likes, comments, shares, and turn them into buyers. That journey is known in online marketing circles as a conversion funnel. Outside that space, it begins to have a lot of different names and variations. You could say that the conversion funnel has some branding challenges. But a business posting online, trying to build awareness, trying to attract leads, to do it without a conversion funnel in place really means you are way more likely to fail. Firstly, let me explain the term funnel. A funnel is simply the steps you have to have someone move through until the point where they make a decision and become a customer. So, the customer journey. Now, if you just walk up to a stranger in the street and say, buy my stuff, buy my program, or buy my house, people are just going to say no. Why? Because they don't know you. They don't trust you can solve their problems. You don't even know what their problems are, or even if they want them fixed. A funnel does this, and it starts with a need. The only people who are potential customers must have a need. And it should go without saying that these things work best if that need is related to the solution you offer. Now that's where awareness filters the good from the bad. This is all about the content you create, how your customer finds you. Maybe they're searching Google for a solution or a friend tags them on your post. Statistically, video content casts the widest net here, but it has to meet the needs of the funnel, the stimulation stage that gets them to pay attention. Once you have their attention, the video also needs to have them thinking about the problem, especially after they've watched it. And so that brings them back, maybe to learn more or to watch again. The next progression is triggering a micro commitment. So there needs to be an exchange, not just likes and comments. They're cheap. An exchange. You provide value, and in return, you're looking for value. So it's fair. With that action, your viewer is transitioning into a customer. The next stage of the conversion funnel is to provide more knowledge, more enlightenment around their problem, how much it's hurting or slowing down their progress. What do they need to do to keep moving forward? We're not providing the total solution, just validating that there is one and helping provide some quick wins that work and also demonstrate your expertise, which brings them to the point of buying. And if you leave them happy, very happy, they refer you, which feeds back in to the top of your funnel. So the biggest mistake I see being made is that people are posting out a lot of content, often great content that's just wasted because they haven't thought about the business model. They haven't embraced the customer journey. They're treating social media like advertising, and that's the fast track to failure. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on, so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space, and I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.